This week on Beyond Innovation.
Shiok Meats is a company that works on cultivated seafood predominantly. And what I mean by that is we grow seafood using stem cells. And these are done in large equipments called cultivators, much like your large stainless steel vessels that you might see in a brewery, but instead of making beer, we make seafood.
What we have done is really reinvent the wheel and take a motor traditionally that sits between the two wheels and have a shaft that drives the wheel. We actually put the motor directly inside the wheel itself.
We started by understanding the way bad actors are working and looking into their messaging platforms, for example. So everywhere from bad websites of ISIS that where they distribute incitement and propaganda or hate speech, Nazis, taking that and training the algorithms to actually find them in other places.